Hello WordPress nerds. So in this video we are going to talk about alias in WP commands. So it is used to make alias of your subcommand. For example, in our previous video we make this command WP-BWP and hello is the subcommand name. So we made this command. So if you want to make alias of this subcommand, in that scenario you can use the alias. And when to make alias, so when there is already function exist on system or PHP, in that case you can make alias. For example, you are writing a sort function for your custom feature, but sort is already a function in PHP. So in that case, while writing your let me open my custom command file first in the custom plugin. So this is my custom plugin. I have installed that on my local site and I am adding that custom command in my local plugin. So yeah, for example, you are writing a subcommand for sorting your custom feature. So you can give a sort you can give your function name like underscore sort, but still you want to call your function, I mean subcommand, like WP-BWP sort. So in that case you can use your alias for subcommand. So how to do that? So it is very simple. You just have to put alias in this PHP doc at the very bottom over here. So let's say I want to say instead of hello I want to make this command as hi, and now if I run WP-BWP Bargo and instead of hello I can put hi, so still that command is going to work. So that is how you can make alias of any subcommand. And yeah, this is my custom code for adding custom subcommand, and if you don't know then I will provide my playlist link. I would suggest you watch that first and come on this video later, and if you know what you are doing then continue watching. So now let's say I want to make another subcommand, sort. We cannot use sort command like this, sort function, because it's already registered in PHP. So instead of sort I will put this sort over here. I will just simply echo a string. I will copy this doc block from here and I will remove this because we don't have options. And we are gonna call this function subcommand as sort. And let's try to run this command WP sort. As you can see, it is executing this function. So if we don't provide alias, then we have to use like this. Let's try to use this and see what happens. So it says sort is not registered subcommand of BWP. So now I'm gonna put the alias again, and we are able to execute that command. So that is how you can use alias in your WP command. I hope you understand this. If you have any doubt or question, please write down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching the video, guys.